we're given the equality. The absolute value of 5a plus 10 is equal to the absolute value of 6a minus 2. We're asked to find all values of a that satisfy this equality. So one way to do this is to do the following. Take the left side of the equation. Let's just drop the absolute values, and we're going to solve it two different ways. So we're just going to say 5a plus 10. And the first thing we're going to do is just drop the absolute values and solve for the equality. Solve for a. So 6a minus 2. So let's solve this. So we can subtract 5a from both sides. Minus 5a minus 5a. That will eliminate this, and 6 minus 5a is just a. And then we want to add 2 to both sides to isolate the variable. So add 2. So 6 minus 5a is a, so we're just going to flip it around, put the a on the left side, just because that's conventional. And then 10 plus 2 is 12. So a equals 12 is one solution. Now we're going to do the following. Let's take this thing, the left side just leave as 5a plus 10. But then for the right side, let it be equal to negative, open parentheses, and then whatever the quantity is. So this, in this case, it's 6a minus 2. So 6a minus 2. Okay? So over here, we let it be equal to the positive, right? We just let this thing alone. This was the positive root, if you will, right? Now we're going to let this thing be negative. So now 5a, let's distribute that negative. 5a plus 10 is equal to negative 6a, and then negative 6a, and then negative times a negative is a positive, so we get plus 2, like this. Okay? So let's add 6a to both sides, so plus 6a, plus 6a. So we're bringing all the a's over to this side, so let's bring this 10 over to the other side. So minus 10, minus 10. This cancels, this is canceling. And we get 5a plus 6a is 11a, so we have 11a is equal to 2 minus 10 is negative 8. Then divide by 11. And we get a is equal to, clean that up a little bit. A is equal to negative 8 over 11. Okay? So our solution set, as it were, can be written in the following way. A is equal to, curly bracket, and let's put the smaller of the two numbers. This is smaller than this, right? So negative 8, put that on the left side, just out of convention, comma 12. That means that both of these satisfy the equality. And so this is the answer. We can check it, right? Because if we come to the equality and we put 12 here, 5 times 12 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. Okay, and then 6 times 12 is 72. 72 minus 2 is 70, so 70 equals 70. Good, right? Okay, this negative 8, 11. Let's do that. Let's actually write that one out. So we have 5 times negative 8 over 11 plus 10 absolute value. This is equal to, I've done this earlier, 70 over 11, and it's the absolute value of 70 over 11. And the absolute value of 70 over 11 is just 70 over 11. Okay? Now let's do the other one. Let's do the other side, 6a minus 2, so 6 times negative 8 over 11. And not plus, it's the minus 2, right? Minus 2 absolute value. This is equal to negative 70 over 11. And the absolute value of negative 70 over 11 is 70 over 11, because the absolute value takes whatever is negative and just turns it positive, right? So this is equal to 70 over 11. So we see that these two are in fact the same thing. So we see that this is in fact a solution, right? So solutions are here and here, and it can be represented like this. Okay? Try it for yourself. See you next time.